Welcome back to Top Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to show you guys how to check for a bad AC compressor. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to test for a bad AC clutch. I'm going to show you guys how to check for noise. I'm going to show you guys how to check for a bad bearing. Let's begin. First, remove the serpentine belt or AC belt. Next, take your hand and spin the pulley. It should spin smoothly. The pulley should not be wobbly and it should not be making any noise. If you rotate the pulley and you hear some sort of noise such as grinding noise or metallic noise, or you're hearing noise coming from the pulley area, it is possible the bearing might be bad in the AC compressor. Next, check the grooves on the pulley. Make sure there's no damage on it. Next, rotate the AC clutch and make sure it is not binding and make sure it is not making any noise. Next, grab the pulley with one hand and with the other hand, grab the AC clutch and move it up and down. There should be no movements. And again, rotate the AC clutch, make sure there is no noise and make sure it is not wobbly. Next, inspect the connector area. Make sure it is not covered in engine oil. Make sure it is not covered in power steering fluid. Make sure it is not covered in dirt. And make sure the connector is not corroded. If everything checked out fine, now let's check for a bad AC clutch. Take your jumper wire and connect it to the connector on the AC compressor. When the AC clutch is not energized, the pulley should spin alone and the AC clutch should not spin with the pulley. But when you energize the AC clutch is going to grab onto the AC pulley and it is going to spin together. Right now it is energized. Now I'm going to de-energize it. And let's energize it again. So the AC clutch is moving together with the pulley. And again, I'm going to de-energize it. So this AC clutch is working properly. I hope you found this lesson useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.